Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cleared up, pretty, dried up slime. But I think it's really pretty because you can put it on top of things, and I think it looks really cool. See? It makes your face look weird. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to make this. Mine's kind of still movable, but that's alright. So first, there's my dog. You can see her. You need this. Let me out. If you didn't see my last video, I still have the same clothes on, and I still have my foot that hurts so much. Okay, so you need this. So you need a putty slime-ish. Putty. Wait, let me mix it. Okay, so you need this, not really stretchy, but kind of stretchy, clear, putty-ish slime. And a lid to a container. Wait a second. I don't know what's on the lid of this container. I'm just gonna... So you need the lid in the container. You're going to take this, put the rest in. Put the rest in, except a little piece. Wait, I think that's a little too much. Except a little piece about right there. And put the lid on and set it on here for a couple of minutes, like that. And then give it a few minutes to dry. So I'm going to give it a few minutes. That should be long enough. And then we're going to check how it's doing in narrative.